The Scotch-Brite Water Bottle Scrubber is an exceptional cleaning tool designed to tackle the challenge of cleaning water bottles effectively. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this scrubber lives up to its promises. One of the standout features of this product is its durability. Made from high-quality stainless steel and plastic materials, it is built to withstand regular use and provide a long-lasting cleaning solution for your water bottles. Regardless of the material, whether it's glass or plastic, the Scotch-Brite Water Bottle Scrubber tackles the task with ease. Measuring at 2.25 inches in length, 2.2 inches in width, and 11.94 inches in thickness, this scrubber is perfectly sized to reach the intricate corners and narrow openings of water bottles. It effectively cleans those hard-to-reach areas that traditional bristle brushes tend to miss. The pink color adds a touch of vibrancy to the design.
The Munchkin-registered trademark sponge trademark bottle brush is a must-have tool for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for bottles and dishes. With over 10 years of experience in the market, Munchkin has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality baby products, and the sponge trademark bottle brush is no exception. The sleek green design of this brush makes it visually appealing and stands out among other cleaning tools. The handle is made of sturdy plastic and rubber, providing a comfortable and secure grip during use. This feature ensures that you have full control and maneuverability while cleaning your bottles and dishes. What sets the Munchkin-registered trademark sponge trademark bottle brush apart is its versatility. Not only can it effectively clean bottles, but it is also designed to be used in dishwashers. This feature is highly convenient for busy parents who need to clean multiple bottles at once or have limited time for manual washing. With the Munchkin-registered trademark sponge trademark bottle brush, you can confidently.
The Amazon brand. Mama Bear Bottle Brush is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient cleaning tool for baby bottles. With over 10 years of experience in the field of product marketing, I can confidently say that this bottle brush stands out from the competition. One of the standout features of the Mama Bear Bottle Brush is its durable construction. Made with high-quality materials, this brush is built to last. The handle is made of sturdy plastic, ensuring a comfortable grip while cleaning. The sponge material used for the brush is soft yet effective when it comes to removing stubborn residue and ensuring a thorough clean. The dimensions of the Mama Bear Bottle Brush are 9.4 inches in length, 2.17 inches in width, and 12 inches in height. These dimensions make it easy to maneuver the brush inside bottles of various sizes, ensuring a comprehensive clean every time. In terms of design, the Mama Bear Bottle Brush comes in a stylish combination of white.
The OXO Tot Bottle Brush is a reliable and efficient tool that every household should consider investing in. With its sleek design and practical features, this bottle brush stands out among its competitors. One of the key features of the OXO Tot Bottle Brush is its durable construction. Made by the renowned brand OXO, this brush is built to last. The handle, made of sturdy plastic, ensures a comfortable grip and allows for easy maneuverability. This is particularly important when cleaning bottles, where a firm grip is necessary to reach all the nooks and crannies. Furthermore, the OXO Tot Bottle Brush is designed in a subtle gray color, which adds a touch of elegance to its appearance. This understated color ensures that it can seamlessly blend with any kitchen decor. Whether you have a modern or traditional kitchen, this bottle brush will fit right in. In terms of functionality, the OXO Tot Bottle Brush truly shines. It is specifically designed for cleaning bottles.
The OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set is a versatile and highly effective cleaning tool that I would highly recommend. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing reviews, I can confidently say that this product stands out in terms of quality and performance. One of the key features of this brush set is its brand reputation. OXO has established itself as a trusted name in the industry, known for producing high-quality products that are both functional and durable. This brush set lives up to that reputation with its sturdy construction and reliable performance. The vibrant orange color of the brushes adds a touch of fun to the cleaning process. It brings a refreshing change from the usual plain and dull cleaning tools, making the task less mundane. This attention to detail in the design
is what sets OXO apart from its competitors. The handle material is made of plastic, which provides a comfortable grip during use. This is crucial when dealing with tough stains or hard.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.